Want to explore the new Shortcuts app on your iPhone with iOS 26? Here's a quick guide to navigating its updated design and making the most of its automation features. When you open the app, you'll notice a cleaner, redesigned interface with Apple's signature glassy look along the bottom panel. This layout gives you faster access to everything, from your existing shortcuts to the gallery and automation tools. Tap all shortcuts at the top to view every custom shortcut you've already created. Need to organize or delete one? Just tap Edit in the top right. To create a new shortcut, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. This opens a fresh shortcut page where you can add actions, chain tasks together, or trigger app automations, like setting a focus mode when you open an app or sending a scheduled message. Down below, you'll find two other tabs, Automation and Gallery. In the Automation tab, you can set up personal automations like turning on low power mode when your battery drops below 30%, or opening a specific app at a certain time each day. The Gallery is a goldmine of pre-built shortcuts curated by Apple. You'll find things like heading to work, water reminder, or text last screenshot, and you can add any of them with just a tap. That's a quick overview of how to use the new Shortcuts app in iOS 26. If you found this useful, tap like, drop your favorite shortcut in the comments, and subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks.